Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Felicia Mesadieu, your personal stylist and beauty guide. And the purpose of my channel is to assist you in making the best wardrobe choices and beauty solutions so that you look and feel your best. And to all my felines, you know what it is. Welcome back, ladies. So today I am going to be sharing with you how to wash your sweaters properly. I know I'm on a roll with how you care for your clothing items, and it's just important because no one shared this information with me. No one. I had to search high and low. There were some trial and errors, some hit and misses. I finally feel like I'm at this place where I'm learning how to properly care for my garments so that I can protect my investments, and even pieces that aren't necessarily investment pieces. I'm still extending the life wear of these pieces. Like, I'm still prolonging you know, how long I'm able to wear them, because I don't like throwing clothes away. Do you? I hate it with a passion. It doesn't matter how much I spend. I cherish my clothes and I want them to last long. I want to extend the life of these clothes. So I just find that, you know, all the different gems that I discover and all the information that I discover on how to, you know, care for clothes and wear clothes, I share them with you, okay? Sharing is caring. So let's go. First order of business. There are two ways that you can wash your sweaters. First way, you can machine wash it, and that's what we're going to be discussing today. The second way is to hand wash it. But if you are going to machine wash it, you need to machine wash it properly. So we're going to talk about how to hand wash your sweaters in another video. In this video, we're going to focus on how you machine wash your sweaters. All right, so the very first step when machine washing your sweaters is you want to read the care tag. The care tag is going to be the most important thing because it's going to let you know whether or not you can wash it a certain way, or maybe even if you can wash it at all. I know with some sweaters it's instructed that you only dry clean, so in those cases I do like to follow the care tag unless I know exactly what I'm doing. But if it instructs me to dry clean, well, bet you by golly wow, I'm just gonna go ahead and dry clean. Now there are some cases where you can just kind of treat it yourself or hand wash it yourself. I'm not really, you know, the person that enjoys hand washing, but I know that that is an alternative, and so we'll talk about that in another video. Reading the care tag is very important because it allows you to understand exactly what your sweater needs. It gives you those instructions of what your sweater needs. If you have a sweater that says that you can machine wash it, what you want to do is you want to make sure that you're separating those colors. Check to see what temperature water that the care tag specifies. And once you have done that, what you want to do is place your sweater in a mesh bag. It's a delicate bag, and you'll wash your sweater in this delicate mesh bag. Do not put more than one sweater in here. The reason for that is sweaters have the tendency to peel, and you don't want different color peelings on your sweater. You don't want your sweater snagging on anything. So if you have a sweater, if you have multiple sweaters, put them in multiple mesh bags, or hand wash them separately, or wash them separately in you know, in a different cycle. Do not put more than one sweater in a mesh bag. That is my suggestion to you. I just don't think you should do it. I don't do it. I don't think you should do it. So when you're washing your delicates, you need to make sure that you're using the right temperature water specified by the care tag, that's specified on the care tag. Then you want to use a gentle detergent, a gentle or mild detergent. Woolite is usually suggested for garments like sweaters. That's usually, you know, the rule of thumb. You use something like Woolite, but there are other mild detergents. You can also make your own. Just make sure that you know what you're doing if you're gonna do that. I also want to make sure you want to wash it. If you're going to machine wash it, make sure you always wash it in the delicate cycle. And after it's completed washing, then you want to take the sweater out of the washer and then you want to let it air dry. This is going to help preserve the life of the sweater, and it's going to reduce those peelings and snags and, you know, all those different types of issues that come along with washing your sweaters. So there are a few ways to combat peelings from your sweater, and 3 of those things that I have recently discovered would be a sweater comb, a sweater stone, and a sweater shaver. In my research, I find that those will probably be the most effective if you want to get rid of those sweater peelings. You can also check to see if your sweater is dryer safe. In that case, make sure you keep it in the mesh bag, and you're able to dry it on the lowest settings possible. Always look for what you can dry, what your delicate settings are on your dryer, and then if it's dryer safe, then you can pop it in the dryer, but make sure you keep it in the mesh bag. And those are pretty much my tips for how you should handle your sweaters when you're washing them, the best way to properly care for them. And if you have any suggestions, make sure you leave it down in the comment section. The best conversations always happen down in the comments. The more ideas, the better. Thank you so much for watching. If you're not a subscriber, please subscribe so you can see more videos like this. Favorite, peace, and blessings, and I will see you all in the next video. Bye.